Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio. I'm Sally, and in today's video we're going to be doing some splits on the weaving card loom that we've got. So we're going to do a couple of rows of plain weave. So I'll just measure a couple of those out. I don't want too many. And I'm going to be doing some splits today on the weaving card. First of all, we're going to do a couple of rows of plain weave, and if you watch the last video you'll know how to do that very quickly. I'm going over and under and traversing across weaving card to get to the other side, and I'm going to do a couple of rows. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch colours to this brown, 3 different splits there, something like that. Let's start with this first one. I just want to get a few different lengths and rows of the brown. I don't want to go too far down, so probably something like that is enough, and then I'll do the same for 2 other lengths. And then all you're going to do is, once again, I think I'm just going to go about that far. I'm going to start from there, but I'm just going to go over and under the usual, and that tail end can be tucked under later. So I've ended on and over, so I'm going to start on and under and then only do that far across. I'm going to push that up and then back again that way. I'm actually using cord again, so every time I pull my cord you can see that the warp lengths are actually warping in, and that's what we want, because we want to create this little gap here which will create a little split. And next up, I've just threaded up the weaving needle and given myself a length of the brown. And this time I'm just going to go a little bit wider, but a similar sort of depth down. I'm going to start here. Because that is an over in front of me, I'm going to start on an under cross. And then we've ended on and over, so we're going to go under, over, same process. And I'm just going to pull that in a little bit tighter because I do want this gap to be quite noticeable. And then we're just going to end on another length over here, finish off the splits. Back again. I'm going to pull that a little bit tighter and across. A plain weave all the way across, just 2 rows, just to tuck underneath these splits. It's ended on and over, so I'm going to go the opposite way. And then if I just pull that cord, it will just bring all the warp lengths back into line and rejoin again. There is just the 2 rows that I've done, shuffling warps around a little bit, spacing them out a bit. Next, what I want to do is I'm just going to go with this pale pink, and I want to sort of half and half really. So let's start over here. So the one above it is an over. I'm going to start on an under and go across up there. So that's one side, and then I'm just going to do the same over here. So there we have that finished. I just want to show you what I'm going to do with these tail ends over here. So I've just threaded up my needle and I'm going to go back up here underneath through that loop, and I'm just going to pull that through that. And then I'll probably just do another colour down here just to pull it back together again and finish off with a plain weave. Thank you for watching today, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new around here, and I'll see you in the very next video.